Then down. I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on. I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my god.
Man, what the fuck? What's wrong with you, bro? You good? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't
You
sneeze
ain't gonna
on
say
you?
excuse me?
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you
Yeah, this nigga just sneeze on me.
What you mean? No, yeah, I know where I'm at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe positive. Get your...
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out! You good? You good? Yeah, good. Watch out! Watch out! Yo, slide! Yo, it's a video. 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 And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out! Alright, you good? You good? Watch out! You good, bro? Hey, look, yo. Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass off somewhere. The fuck?
What you doing?
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Weird ass shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't be, like, I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh,
Go
my
sneeze on somebody
God.
else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
Oh, my God.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. You good. We was recording you the whole time.
Damn.
You was on camera. Oh my God.
Damn, I'm sorry for that.
I understand. You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
It's okay. Y'all, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him. Mad.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing, man?
What you mean what I'm doing?
Come on, man, sneezing on me like that. Can your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you, man?
Why you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's
Whatever.
a sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to
Yeah,
back the
you
fuck
can
up.
keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
Dude, what's wrong with you, man?
Alright, you good? Alright, stop. Are you good, bro? Stop touching me. Okay, okay.
No, we're not good.
Alright,
We're not
okay,
good, man.
okay.
Hey,
you
man,
good?
I'm making through 2 months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
Alright, you can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do that
you.
again, man.
Okay, I'm not touching you.
Nasty.
Okay, you good though.
No more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else. Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to touch me though.
Whatever. You know, I can't touch you.
Stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Really?
good? Yeah, stop touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me. I don't want to hurt you, bro.
Whatever. You ain't gonna hurt nothing, man.
Alright, stop touching me.
Whatever.
Alright, you good, bro.
No, that's it. That's it.
Alright, you good. It's recording you. We're recording. You're on camera, man.
Where?
You're on camera, bro. You're on camera. We're recording you. It was in the sneeze. You were on camera.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck?
You're literally fucking disgusting.
Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck.
You could have sneezed anywhere
But
else.
my sneezes.
Nah,
my
like, get the fuck. Yeah, no, for
My-
real,
my
get the fuck.
sneeze- my sneeze
Nah,
is
get the
clean,
fuck.
though.
Nah, your
How the
sneeze
fuck
is
your-
clean?
Yeah, that shit.
That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What you
Yeah, no,
mean?
that shit, bro.
I can't sneeze
That
on you?
piss me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just fuck. That's just nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You. This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
No,
it was
like
a little
that.
sneeze.
No, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you could calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie. We filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize. Nah,
That
it
shit-
was a
no.
joke.
That shit-
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke.
Fuck that video.
It was a video. I
No.
promise. I wouldn't sneeze on you.
You would see.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug. I see somebody shopping. I think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this couple, y'all. I think they're shopping.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
What you mean?
Man, you just sneeze on me, bro?
I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me,
Are
bro?
you good, bro? Don't
Nah,
touch
bro.
me.
Nah, bro. What you mean? Don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me.
Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro? Why is you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean? I sneezed on you, bro? It's I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good?
Hey guys.
It's a video. We was recording you,
Hey
bro.
guys.
Huh?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like
I
everybody.
ain't sneezed on you, bro. You good?
Nah, bro. You fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro? You good, bro? Tripping.
Hey y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
I see a girl walking. Might get it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little
Nah,
stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on pretty
fuck, That
strangers.
shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
This
sneeze.
nigga just fucking sneezed on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't
Fuck,
sneeze.
wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can't.
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
What the fuck do you want?
I can't sneeze.
No, fuck no. Not on me. The fuck?
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you, I promise. It's a little
okay.
spray. Yeah, it was a joke, I promise.
For
you.
sure.
I promise it was a
Okay,
little
for
joke.
sure. That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Weird though.
Nah, I apologize. Look, look, I could. You actually look good. Like that's why I told you it's a video.
Okay.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I'm not gonna. I can get your number though.
Yeah.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I apologize though. What's your name?
India.
India.
Mm.
Yeah, you look pretty.
Thank you.
Like, for sure, I get a little hug from you.
Sure.
I ain't sick or nothing. Like I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For
For
sure.
For sure. It was nice meeting you. I'm
Nice
Malik,
meeting
by
you
the way.
too. I'm
For
okay.
sure.
Hey, Malik.
You still look a little like weirded out.
Nigga, because the situation was weird to me. Like,
For sure. I get one more hug though.
no. Bye.
I've been waiting here. It's hot, tired. It's so hot, y'all. Might spray some on me. So hot. I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot. Oh my God.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Oh, I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze.
So you want to sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little sick.
You gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
I can't sneeze on you.
No,
one time?
man.
Let me
No.
sneeze on
No,
you.
no,
Let me
no.
sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What you mean? I can't sneeze.
No.
I can't.
Hey, what'd I tell you?
What you mean?
I'm not messing with you.
I relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's office
you
if you're
doing,
sick. Don't be
bro?
sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all. Bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude,
Hey,
get out of here.
we recording. We recording.
Get outta here.
It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I don't got time
It's
for
a prank.
videos.
Look. I didn't sneeze
I
on
don't
you.
care about no
It's
pranks. I don't
a
want to be on your TikTok.
it's a video. I didn't sneeze on you. It was a spray.
No, get the hell out of here.
You good?
No, man.
You sure?